Dear students, today we are going to discuss on the topic biosynthesis and catabolism of pyrimidine nucleotides. Mammals and most of the lower vertebrates can synthesize purines and pyrimidines and are said to be prototropic. Coming to the biosynthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides, pyrimidine is a heterocyclic ring. The materials required for the synthesis of pyrimidines are carbamoyl phosphate synthesized from carbon dioxide and glutamine, PRPP called as 5-phosphoribosyl 1-pyrophosphate, and enzymes involved are carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2 transcarbamylase, dihydroorotate, dehydrogenase, transferase and decarboxylase. ATP is required for providing energy. Amino acid aspartic acid is needed, and cofactors such as FAD, NAD, magnesium are required for the synthesis of pyrimidines. Let us discuss about the steps involved in the synthesis. The first and foremost step is synthesis of carbamoyl phosphate. The synthesis of pyrimidine ring begins with the formation of carbamoyl phosphate from glutamine, carbon dioxide and ATP catalyzed by the enzyme carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2. The enzyme is present in cytosol and does not require N-acetyl glutamate. The reaction is controlled by the feedback inhibitory effect of pyrimidine nucleotide UTP. The second step is formation of carbamoyl aspartic acid. The enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase then transfers carbamoyl group from carbamoyl phosphate to aspartic acid to form carbamoyl aspartic acid. This reaction is a rate limiting step of pyrimidine biosynthesis, and the enzyme is inhibited by CTP and UTP. The third step is formation of dihydroorotic acid. The reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme dihydroorotase, which removes a molecule of water from carbamoyl aspartic acid and brings about the closure of the ring to produce dihydroorotic acid. The fourth step is formation of orotic acid. The next step is oxidation of dihydroorotate, which is brought about by the enzyme dihydroorotate dehydrogenase. The enzyme carries Fe, S, FMN and FAD in its prosthetic group. NAD is required as coenzyme. Fifth step is formation of orotidylic acid. Under the influence of the enzyme orotate phosphoribosyl transferase, 5-phosphoribosyl group from 5-phosphoribosyl 1-pyrophosphate is transferred to orotic acid to produce orotidylic acid. Magnesium ions are required in the reaction. Next step is formation of uridylic acid. Orotidylic acid undergoes decarboxylation catalyzed by the enzyme orotidylate decarboxylase and forms uridylic acid, that is UMP. UMP is the first pyrimidine nucleotide to be formed. Other pyrimidine nucleotides UDP, UTP, CTP and DUDP are synthesized from UMP. UMP is the feedback inhibitor of the decarboxylase enzyme. How other pyrimidine nucleotides are formed? Let us discuss about that. UMP is phosphorylated by ATP to form UDP, which is catalyzed by the enzyme nucleoside monophosphokinase. UDP can be further phosphorylated by ATP to form UTP. CTP can be synthesized from UTP catalyzed by the enzyme CTP synthetase. The reaction requires ATP for energy and glutamine. How DUDP is formed? Deoxyuridine diphosphate is formed from UDP by the action of the enzyme ribonucleoside reductase. The reaction requires thioredoxin and NADPH. Thymine deoxyribonucleotides is also synthesized from DUMP. DUMP may arise from the hydrolysis of DUDP by phosphatase. Alternatively, DCMP may be produced by phosphorylation of circulating deoxycytidine with the help of ATP. The enzyme is deoxycytidine kinase. Thymidylate synthetase methylates DUMP into DTMP by transferring methyl group from N5 N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate, the C5 of the uracil moiety. Thymidylate synthetase is covalently inhibited by folate antagonists like aminopterin and amitriptyline, which competitively inhibits DH2 folate reductase, that is dihydrofolate reductase. DTMP can be changed to DTDP by transphosphorylation with the help of ATP. Magnesium using thymidylate kinase. This is the synthesis of thymine and pseudouridine ribonucleotides. UMP residue is a precursor. How pyrimidine deoxyribonucleotides are synthesized? Reduction of ribose to deoxyribose is achieved by ribonucleotide reductase. This enzyme transfers electrons from iron sulfur containing the 2-carbon of ribose moiety of purine or pyrimidine nucleotide diphosphate. NADPH reduces the oxidized thioredoxin to its reduced state by thioredoxin reductase. The enzyme contains FAD as its prosthetic group. Rate limiting step in DTTP synthesis. DTDP is then phosphorylated to DTTP by thymidine diphosphokinase using ATP and magnesium. The next topic is catabolism of pyrimidines. Cytosine and uracil. The first step of the catabolism of pyrimidines is dephosphorylation to the nucleosides by 5-nucleotidases. Pyrimidine nucleosides are then phosphorylized into free pyrimidines and pentose 1-phosphate with the help of PI and nucleoside phosphorylases. Uracil is then reduced to 5,6-dihydrouracil by dihydrouracil dehydrogenase using NADPH. Cytosine will form uracil by deaminase. The hydrolysis of 5,6-dihydrouracil is the next step. This is done hydrolytically by hydropyrimidine hydrase to form beta-uridopropionic acid. The next step is further hydrolysis by beta-uridopropionase into carbon dioxide, ammonia and beta-alanine. The beta-alanine can either be used in the synthesis of anserine, carnosine or CoA, or can be oxidized to acetate, ammonia and carbon dioxide. The next pyrimidine is thymine. Thymine released from thymidine or produced by the deamination of 5-methylcytosine is reduced to dihydrothymine by an NADH dependent dehydrogenase. Next is the hydrase that brings about the hydrolysis of dihydrothymine to give beta-uridoisobutyric acid. The beta-uridoisobutyric acid is hydrolyzed by beta-uridoisobutyrase into carbon dioxide, ammonia and beta-aminoisobutyrate. This beta-aminoisobutyrate is excreted in large quantities in leukemia after body is subjected to X-ray radiation. Next topic is salvage pathway. Till now we have discussed the de novo synthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides and catabolism of pyrimidine nucleotides. How the pyrimidines are synthesized through salvage pathway. The pyrimidines, like purines, can also serve as precursors in the salvage pathway to be converted to the respective nucleotides. This reaction is catalyzed by pyrimidine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, which utilizes PRPP as the source of ribose 5-phosphate. Points to be noted or remembered during salvage pathways. They are: the de novo synthesis of nucleotides is expensive in terms of the use of high energy phosphate bonds, especially for the purine biosynthesis. Many cells have pathways that salvage purine and pyrimidine bases for the corresponding nucleotides. All tissues are not capable of de novo synthesis of purine nucleotides. Example: erythrocytes, neutrophils and brain cells. These cells lack the enzyme PRPP amidotransferase. Nucleotides do not enter cells directly but are converted to nucleosides by cell membrane nucleosidases. After entering the cells, the nucleoside is either converted to the nucleotide again by a kinase enzyme or degraded to corresponding base by the enzyme nucleoside phosphorylase. The disorder of purine catabolism is gout. The disorder of pyrimidine metabolism is orotic aciduria. This is a rare metabolic disorder characterized by the excretion of orotic acid in urine, severe anemia, and retarded growth. It is due to the deficiency of enzymes orotate phosphoribosyltransferase and OMP decarboxylase of pyrimidine synthesis. Both these enzyme activities are present on a single protein as domains. Feeding diet rich in uridine and cytidine is an effective treatment for orotic aciduria. These compounds provide pyrimidine nucleotides required for DNA and RNA synthesis. Besides this, UTP inhibits carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2 and blocks synthesis of orotic acid. The next disorder is Reyes syndrome. This is considered as a secondary orotic aciduria. It is believed that a defect in ornithine transcarbamylase causes the accumulation of carbamoyl phosphate. This is then diverted for the increased synthesis and excretion of orotic acid. Points to remember. Purines are built up as nucleotides. There is no dietary requirement of purines. Body can synthesize them. Various enzymes that catalyze specific reactions in the synthetic pathway have been studied. The pathway of synthesis is essentially the same in all the living organisms. Synthesis takes place in the liver. Purines are first synthesized as nucleotide inosinic acid, which is then converted to adenine and guanine nucleotides. Purine ring is built on ribose 5-phosphate. To summarize the unit metabolism of nucleotides, I want to mention some important points. First point is nucleotides participate in a wide variety of reactions in the living cells, synthesis of DNA and RNA as constituents of many coenzymes, in the regulation of metabolic reactions, etc. Purine nucleotides are synthesized in a series of reactions starting from ribose 5-phosphate, glycine, glutamine, aspartate, fumarate, formate and carbon dioxide contribute to the synthesis of purine ring. Purine nucleotides can also be synthesized from free purines by a salvage pathway. The defect in the enzyme HGPRT causes Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Deoxyribonucleotides are formed from ribonucleotides by a reduction process catalyzed by ribonucleotide reductase. Thioredoxin is a protein cofactor required for this reaction. Purine nucleotides are degraded to uric acid, the excretory product in humans. Uric acid serves as a natural antioxidant in the living system. Uric acid in many animal species is converted to more soluble forms such as allantoin, allantoic acid and excreted. Gout is a metabolic disease associated with overproduction of uric acid. This often leads to the accumulation of sodium urate crystals in the joints, causing painful gouty arthritis. Allopurinol, an inhibitor of xanthine oxidase, is the drug used for the treatment of gout. Pyrimidine nucleotides are synthesized from the precursors aspartate, glutamine, and carbon dioxide besides ribose 5-phosphate. Orotic aciduria is a defect in pyrimidine synthesis caused by the deficiency of orotate phosphoribosyltransferase and OMP decarboxylase. Diet rich in uridine and cytidine is an effective treatment for orotic aciduria. Pyrimidines are degraded to amino acids, namely beta-alanine and beta-amino isobutyrate, which are then metabolized. Thank you.